Woodpecker. That is the official woodpecker feeding station. Difference to it. There's some birdhouses up on some of those trees. I just moved them there. They've been there. We started doing that area. The feeders have been there for a year. The birdhouses, the wife just wanted to put them up there. As I'm going to show you some things as I'm walking. Okay, looks like they got their food and they left. Okay, you guys, so several of you had commented. This was one of my carries today. You guys commented on it. You really liked it, right? So I thought I'd show some other ones that are similar, but they're bullets. But you'll see what I'm talking about. But show you guys some of the bling. So here's the Parker bullet, again from the 70s. It's a Barlow, 2-blade. But again, with those scales, and the sun right now just went behind a cloud. So it's still peeking through. Hopefully it's going to be enough that this really pops, because all of these, other than one, are going to be pretty blingy. So again, the Parker bullet, right? See, good look. See the colors? Red, blue, orange, green, yellow. Okay. Here's a Parker Saturday Night Special. See that? Look at that blade, you guys. Saturday Night Special. Parker Cutco. Surgical steel. From Japan. See a little bit of blue in that corner? No red. Till you flip her over. There it is. How freaking pretty is that? These things are so nice, you guys. Clean brass liners. Pins are flush. Again, Japan. Japanese made. This is Parker or Imai. Takata Imai. So that's that. Then you got this toothpick. These are all toothpicks. This one, now I don't know if it's made after the movie The Street Fighter, which there was a martial arts movie, Street Fighter, in the 70s, or if it's after the game Street Fighter. But this is from Japan also, handcrafted. Star is the company. Not to be confused with, there used to be an American company too, Star, but no, this is Star Japan. There are two different ones. This is Star Japan. As you can see how clean, brass liners, smooth pins, smooth transitions. But look at the blade. And look at them scales. Yeah, you know me. Artsy fartsy bling guy. Alright. Then the Mac Daddy. And then one more that I think you guys will get a kick out of, because I sure do. Look at this blade. This is a case. You see WR Case and Sons, Bradford, PA. This is from 1988. Infamous Christmas tree scales. And again, the sun is a little bit, look how clean. The sun is a little bit, it's still coming through, but it's behind a cloud. But it's breaking through. Just not full sun, or it would really be exploding. But look at that. How cool is that, right? And then, Not blingy, but it's another toothpick. Look at this. Colonial. Providence, USA. This is the... Let me turn it around. The redneck. I love it. Look at that. How cool, right? It's such a cool pocket knife, man. Anyways, y'all, just wanted to show you guys. So there they are. What do you think of that? Those toothpicks are super cool. And then the Parker Frost, or Parker Frost EMI, of course, Barlow. That's it, you guys. Anyways, thank you for hanging out. This is not a long video. I appreciate each and every one of you for all your interactions. You know that. You guys mean a lot to me. So again, cheers from Florida. And you know what we like to say over here at That Pocket Knife Guys channel. What's in your pocket? And here's your daps.